Greeting dear students, in today's lecture we will be learning how to calculate cost of material consumed when sale of material is given to us, and this sale can be at profit or this can be at loss also. So what sort of adjustments are to be required? Suppose this is your stock account, stock of material account. So here we used to write opening stock, and here we write closing stock, and moreover if there are some purchases, these are to be recorded here: 2 cash for cash purchases and 2 creditors for credit purchases. And if during the year there are some sales, so sale will be recorded here: buy cash at sale value. And if on this sale you are having loss, then this loss will be recorded here: income and expenditure, loss on sale. And if there is a profit, it will be recorded here and it will be transferred to income and expenditure. This will be transferred to the debit side of income and expenditure, and this loss will be transferred to, this profit will be transferred to credit side of profit on sale. So this will be transferred to credit side of income and expenditure account. So this is the adjustment which you need to make if you are having sale of material consumed, and rest of the things will remain same. Here your balancing figure will be income and expenditure of material consumed. So rest of the things will remain same. So today I have taken question number 33 of T.S. Grewal's book, in which sale of sports material is given to you. So let us read the question first. So this is question number 33. How are the following deal while preparing final accounts of the sports club for the year ended 31st March 2020. So receipt and payment account is given to you. On debit side, to sale of sports material, book value 20,000 and sold at 26,000. It means here we are having a profit of 6,000. On the credit side, cost of sports material is given to us as 61,000, and cash purchase of sports material is given to us 10,000. Then opening stock of sports material, closing stock of sports material, creditors for sports material, and opening and closing balances are given to you. So let us do this numerical. So first of all, you will be preparing stock account. We will be doing this numerical by both the methods, statement method as well as through ledger method. Stock of sports material, this is debit side and credit side. So here opening stock is given to us, to balance brought down. Opening stock of material is 20,000 and closing stock is given to us as 20,000, 25,000. Then they have given us in receipt and payment is mentioned cash purchases. So cash purchases are recorded here: to cash. In the bracket you can mention purchases. So these purchases, the value of these purchases are 10,000, and credit purchases will be calculating by preparing creditors account. This will give us credit purchase, and moreover sale is given to us. So we will be writing sale here: buy cash through receipt and payment account. So the sale value, with the sale value and sale value of sports material is given to us as 26,000, and book value is 20,000. It means there is a profit. So profit will be recorded here to profit on sale of sports material, and this profit will be transferred to income and expenditure account. And bracket mein you can mention profit on sale, which is 6,000. So these are the various steps, and balancing figure will be your by income and expenditure material consumed. This is our balancing figure, but we cannot calculate balancing figure until we have credit purchases, and for that we have to make creditors account. So let us make creditors account because this account is otherwise incomplete. So this is the creditor account. Let us see what is there in the creditors account. Opening balance is given to us. Opening balance is by balance, brought down opening balance of creditors. Opening balance of creditors is given to us as 7,000, and then closing balance is also given. These are your closing creditors. Closing creditors are 15,000, and it is given through receipt and payment account that creditors for sports material are paid with 61,000. So payment to creditors will be recorded here to cash account through receipt and payment. So this is payment to creditors 61,000. So it will be 76,000 here. So your balancing figure will be your credit purchase, buy purchases, and these are your credit purchases. See, wherever I have written cash, it will be receipt and payment because we are not making cash account. So you can easily replace this cash account with receipt and payment. But if you make journal entry, it will be done through cash. So it will be 69,000. So your purchases are 69,000. So let us transfer this credit purchases here. Then finally it will be 20, 30, 30 and 77. 30 and 77 will be, just wait, 20 plus 30, 30 plus 75. 30 plus 75 will be 105. So finally 000, 11 and 4 is 1551. So this will be 6, this will be 554. So this is the amount of material consumed during the year. So this is how it is to be done when sales are given to us. So sales will be recorded twice. Here also sales will be recorded, and not twice. Sale value will be recorded here and profit will be recorded here. And if there would have been loss, then it will be recorded on this side by income and expenditure, loss on sale of asset. And how this is to be shown in income and expenditure, let us see that also. In income and expenditure account, debit side you will be writing to sports material In the bracket you can mention consumed. So how much we are consuming? We are consuming 54,000. You can refer working note, and here we'll be writing by profit on sale of sports material. So this profit will be 6,000, and this is also an extract of this income and expenditure account. So this is how it is to be done. And when you are making this statement format, in the statement format, this sale of equipment, in the statement format of cost of material consumed, sale of material consumed, and not sale exactly, it is the cost of sale. Cost of sale of material consumed will be deducted. So here it was 26,000 minus 6,000. So the cost of material consumed was 20,000. So this will be deducted while making the statement. So this is how sale is to be done. I hope this numerical is clear to you. So you can practice more and more such kind of numerical from other books also. Thank you. Have a nice day.